We picked up this 6-pack of Duraflame 4-hour fire logs, and they've been such an easy way to get a cozy fire going without all the prep. You can see the packaging has simple instructions and it's really straightforward. We just place one in our fireplace, light it, and within a few minutes we already had steady flames. After about 2 minutes, it was going strong, and by the 15-minute mark, it was in full flame and completely filling the fireplace. I love that they light quickly, they burn cleaner than traditional wood, and they don't leave us dealing with a huge mess afterwards. It's just such an easy way to create that warm, cozy atmosphere at home, and I definitely recommend these.